Hello, welcome back to TGR. In this video, we're going to see if this little 1964 Volkswagen Beetle will start. Several years ago, I picked this little bug up for super cheap. It didn't run, its engine was seized and everything like that. I only put some diesel in the engine and some Marvel Mystery Oil and let it sit for about a week, I think, and broke it free. Since then, I've only replaced the rings on one piston because those were the parts I had. It had one of the rocker studs had busted, so I made a new one, and while I was there, one of the rings just went, fell right apart. Son of a gun. I had quite a lot of fun with it when I was in high school, and I got parked when I went to college, but now that all that's done, it's time to get it back out again, because we got a couple car shows coming up that this old bug might do perfect in. So without further ado, let's get this thing out and see what needs to be done. Now that we have it strapped up, make sure it's in neutral. Yep. Good. Strapped up, ready to pull it out. All right, before we get started, let's see if we got any power. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, there's power, but that sounds really low. Says we got fuel though. That is if the gauge works. Let's go put a battery charger on this while we check some other things. If I can get out. Now that I've folded out, let's get this battery charger hooked in. Oh, there's a little bit of mold in here. Oh no. Oh boy, we're gonna need to scoot this forward. Oh, that's nice. The seat's stuck. Now that we have access to the battery, let's go ahead and throw the battery charger on now. Positive to negative, negative to positive. That'll do, right? Go ahead and just do a 12 volt fast. How about that? Oh, yeah, we definitely got her going now. Oh yeah, she's really dead. Yep, that'll be, while we're playing around, that'll be charging. Before we get carried away and turning this thing over forever, let's go ahead and check what we got looking for in the points. Looks like we got a little bit of paint. Alright. Yeah. They're not too bad, actually. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Let's see. That's opening a good little amount there. That's good. How does this look? We might need to take some sandpaper to that, especially to that one right there. It's got a lot of ick on it. All right. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit a screwdriver in there, but I will try just to to clean them up a little bit here. We got a little bit of crap coming off. It's actually not looking too bad now. Doesn't look good, but it doesn't look bad. See if I can't get that in there again. This is like the worst one right here. We'll live with it. It'll be fine. Go ahead and button that all back up. All right. Since we have the flathead, oh, you know what I forgot? Blended right in. Didn't even see it. We're gonna want that. Anywho. Goodness. Well, it doesn't look too bad down in there. Looks pretty clean. We'll leave this off for now. So now that we've got the battery charged up a little bit, we'll leave it on to start it, see what happens. But I don't have any starter fluid, so a little bit of old gas and an old oiler, that'll probably be fine. It's a Volkswagen, they don't care. I'll go ahead and put some inside the bowl too, just to get us a little bit in there. Go. Now that we got it running, let's see if we can't get it to move around. Last time I tried to do anything with it, I'm pretty sure we were trying to pop out of gear, so I think the transmission mount might be a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Thank you all for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be updated when we post another one. And as always, we'll see you next time here at the garage.